Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to explain how to define the working directory in our project environment. When I open my R script, R Studio automatically load the script and other related information. If I want to clear the console, I can simply press Control L. Okay. To check my current working directory, I type the command getwd and run it using the run button here. As you can see, my working directory is currently located in a document folder of my computer. However, I want to change this path to a specific location of my choice. Let's say I want to save my file in particular folder. I navigate to that folder and copy its address. Then in RStudio, I use the command setwd. Inside double quotation mark, I paste the folder address I copied. One important point to remember is that all backslashes must be replaced with forward slashes. After updating the address, I run the command no if type getwd again or select it from the drop-down menu and run it. You will see in a console window that the working directory is no longer on drive C in a document folder. It has been changed to drive D in a folder I selected. You may also want to create a new directory. To do this, you can use the dir.create or directory create command. For example, within the path I selected on drive D, I can create a new folder called r_programming. I can run the command using the run button or by pressing Control Enter on a keyboard. After running the command, if I go to that location, I will see that a new folder named r_programming has been created. These commands getwd, setwd, and directory create are commonly used when writing a script in R. They help us organize our work by ensuring that our code outputs, plots, and other generated files are stored in a single, well-structured location that is easy to access and manage. Thank you, everyone, and bye bye until next video.